Hello, welcome to this update. Let's just do a general check on the whole world here. So, let's see. So, we'll do a check on some warnings that are active here, but just know that we don't have time every day, and there are warnings in most of the countries every day. So, we'll show you here how it works, and if you want the next few days, you can check the sites and everything. So in Italy, you have some thunderstorm advisories there. In Bosnia and Herzegovina, some in the Balkans. In Greece, some rain advisories. In Norway, some wildfire advisories and flood warnings. In Sweden here. And let's see, in Africa, some rain advisories in northern Algeria there. In Tanzania, we have some warnings for large waves and strong winds there on eastern Tanzania. And let's see, in China there, Kazakhstan, lots of warnings like wildfire, wind, rain. In Russia, it's filled with warnings. Wait, what's this one? For many things here, let's see. Like wildfire advisories, temperature advisories. This is high temperature, I think. Some thunderstorm and wind advisories. This is Latvia, wildfire danger advisories. For Estonia too, thunderstorm advisories. Same thing for Finland, some wildfire advisories and high temperature advisories. Correct me if that's low temperature, but I think it's high. So this is the typhoon here, the track of it. Japan, like lots of thunderstorm advisories and rain advisories there. And Southeast Asia there, lots of rain, wind in the Solomon Islands, and more stuff here. And the reason we are showing this to you, then we say that we can post every day and everything, because I wish I had time to post the forecasts and warnings for each country every day, so everyone on earth is absolutely informed of everything that's happening. But I tried doing that for some months, and I didn't have time for absolutely nothing. So I decided to just doing videos instead. But I want to keep everyone safe and informed, and knowing where the warnings are and everything. So this is the rain accumulation here for the next 12 hours. You see with that cyclone still there a lot. Near the Philippines there, the other typhoon, the front in China, Japan, parts of Oceania too, and Colombia there, Northern South America. Now let's see 24 hours. This is the next 24 hours. USA and Canada, some in Europe. More there in Myanmar, Bangladesh, and southern China or Bhutan. In Japan, some more because of the front. Oceania. Now, next 3 days, more in parts of Oceania, Fiji, Solomon Islands, Papua New Guinea. In Japan, a lot of accumulation there because of the strong front there. We talked about in one of the Asia videos some days ago. More accumulation there in Southeast Asia. Let's see, in Europe, some more accumulation. North and South America a lot next 2 days, parts of the Caribbean, North America there. And let's see next 5 days. So more in parts of the Caribbean, North and South America, Central Africa, Europe, some hot spots there. Southwest India, Sri Lanka, Southeast Asia a lot, Japan, Central Australia might have more rains. So let's see, before and after. So yeah, southwestern New Zealand maybe some more rains. So this is basically it. Let's just mention something for the US here. So there's this marginal risk, this light risk, and this big marginal risk all the way from like northern Mexico there to parts of the Oklahoma Panhandle there, and then through the south here, through the southeast, crossing the east coast, and all the way to southeastern Ontario and southern Quebec. So there's this light risk in Texas, this other one from Alabama to southeastern Ontario. So let's see, tornado 5% in the east coast with those storms, 2%, wind 5% there, the 15% and 5%, and hail hatched there, and 15 and 5%. So be aware. Severe thunderstorms are expected today across parts of the lower Great Lakes, Mid-Atlantic and Southeast. More isolated severe thunderstorms possible this afternoon across much of the central and east Texas and southwest Oklahoma and the upper Mississippi Valley. So this is today. Be careful. This is tomorrow, yes. So that marginal risk up in Idaho and Montana, that slight risk in Texas, New Mexico, and maybe northern Mexico there, and the marginal risk there too. So tornado 2% tomorrow, wind 15% hatched and 5%, hail 15% hatched and 5%. Strong thunderstorms, perhaps including a few supercells and a couple of organized clusters, posing risk for severe wind and hail, are possible in much of central and western Texas and southeastern New Mexico Tuesday afternoon to Tuesday evening. So be careful tomorrow. Day 3, there's this marginal risk all the way from Colorado there to southern Canada there. I think that's I forgot name. So there's the other marginal risk from West Texas and southeasternmost New Mexico there. So widely scattered strong thunderstorms posing some risk for severe wind and hail possible across the high plains Wednesday afternoon and evening. Yes, so be aware there. And here, day 4, day 5, day 8, nothing. There's nothing. So let's see here. This is today, tomorrow, day 3. Quantitative precipitation. This one for 7. Excessive rain. Slight risk there today. And a marginal. Day 2, a slight there and a marginal. Day 3, marginal. Day 4, slight. Day 5, marginal. So be aware there and stay safe. Let's see just some stuff I forgot here. Here in northern Brazil, we have some heavy rain advisories. We have this here for, wait, let me see what this is. Low humidity advisories. And southern Brazil, rain and wind advisories there. So let's see the hazards here. So heat warnings and advisories there. Some air quality advisories. Severe thunderstorm watch and special weather statements maybe for wind and thunderstorms and stuff. And a marine warning there. So let's see Canada here. Wait, here. Here, let's see. I have a feeling we have a severe thunderstorm watch or something. Let's see, for Ontario and Quebec maybe. Wait. There's this wreck house wind warning for part of Labrador and Newfoundland. I think that's Labrador. What does this say? Tornado? Let's see. We will check here. Because it doesn't load here. Wait. You can wait a minute. Let's see. I'll show you more things while it loads. So there's this marine forecast page with marine warnings. And let's see here. Why doesn't it load? Wait, let's see. Wait, let's see if I go. Here, so let's see. So here's the watch. They have, wait, why is this so complicated? Severe thunderstorm watch. Conditions are favorable for dangerous thunderstorms, can produce strong winds, heavy downpours, and large hail. Don't forget that severe thunderstorms can produce tornadoes sometimes. So there's even a tornado watch here. Conditions are favorable for the development of severe thunderstorms, strong winds, large hail and heavy rain, and a risk of a tornado. So please be careful in those areas there. Line of thunderstorms, eastern Ontario this afternoon. The air mass dangerous. So please be careful. There might be some severe thunderstorm warnings in this area later.